I just finished up live trading with the team in the Discord, and beautiful $842. And this is a trade. We had a mini break even in there, and hold on, let me just, everything was live traded obviously. What is a break even zone? It is just a stops to break even secure trade, because this was like the 50% of the 50-minute time frame fair value gap, and look how perfectly trend to the upside. Beautiful $800. Yeah, beautiful trade. And obviously for the people who didn't make it to the call today, obviously I send out every single day the signals for the people who don't make it to the call. And beautiful trade as usual. And this is the live call where I was live trading, and there we go every single day at 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. Beautiful trade, 800. And look how perfectly though, TP, this is the TP, the only TP. Look how perfectly, boom, hit it, went to the opposite direction. Perfect, man, perfect 1 to 2 ratio. Hold on, let me check. 1.211. Beautiful trade.
Yo man, what's good? So you saw right there, quick little $800, and that's just the trading session is over now for today. But the day has officially now started. First off, I want to get the trading done. Boom, see what's up. And today was $800. Cool. Now I'm gonna hit the gym. I'm gonna do fuck. I have leg day. Fuck. You know what? I'm gonna hit the legs, and I'm gonna have a great ass session in the gym, because I just had a great ass session in the trading. And this is leg day is leg day. You need it. You cannot just skip legs, right? So I'm gonna hit legs. But first I'm gonna eat some food, etc., etc. By the way, I wanted to record myself today trading, and here's the clip. Obviously I was live trading in the Discord, etc., but I wanted to record in the OBS. And don't mind the hair, bro. I just got out from the bed. But that's just to show you that I actually take those trades. Yeah, if you're new here, by the way, you may wonder, who am I? Well, I'm 17, I'm a day trader. I've been day trading for 3.5 years. I know that's a pretty long time. For my age, like I'm 17, I started when I was 14 in middle school. I got introduced to trading by my friend. I started with crypto futures, blah, 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 blah. And now I trade the stock indices, ES or S&P 500 or NQ, NAS, and I've been profitably day trading consistently, making money in these markets for 1.5 years. And I was also for 2 years. I'm always real as it gets. I'll show the reality. And obviously I would have learned way, way faster if I would have gotten the right knowledge from the right people in the beginning. But I didn't get the right knowledge in the beginning. So now I'm here to bring the reality. Now I'm here to educate, motivate, innovate, so you can actually become profitable way, way faster and see the reality, what it actually takes. But overall, trading, I chose it because it's fucking chill, extremely chill. Literally, it's pretty early. Still, I'm at the gym, and the working day is pretty much off. Now I'm just doing some fun shit, recording this video, innovating, motivating, and educating, like I told you. But yeah, calm day. But yeah, man, welcome to the point of view of a day trader on Wednesday. Yeah, now it's Wednesday, so happy Wednesday. Hope you're having a great ass day. Make sure to always grind. Make sure to always, develop. I literally in the stream, or while I was trading with the team in the Discord with my students, I literally after the trade, I was like, guys, I recommend you to guys go to the gym. I'm gonna hit the gym now. Do something productive. Read a book. Do something. Always develop. Always go towards your goals. Always just become better individual, because I think that's the main reason why we came here. If you're just slacking, I think that's a disgrace. But obviously you can do you. That's just my opinion. But I created this YouTube channel to literally create a freaking movement, bro. Movement of people who have the same ambition and goals, who want to get to their goals faster, who actually want to succeed in their goals, and who want to become profitable. Like, I'm already profitable. I want you to become profitable in trading. So that's why I'm recording these videos. Okay? But yeah, man, I'll hit the gym really soon. But by the way, I want to show you one thing, bro.
If you want to live trade with me every single day while becoming profitable and independent trader, then it should be the first link in the description. But also, if you want to trade for free, I'm dropping big ass bombs in here, in the free Discord side, all piece of value, etc. Dropping PDF files, etc. and free course, literally free course, etc. Get my strategy, become profitable. But yeah, man, overall solid day, and some of my students sending out profits, what they made today, solid ass. But yeah, man, now I'm gonna eat some food, and then I'm gonna hit the gym.
Alright, man, I'm not going to lie. I skipped this a little bit. It's currently 1 a.m. But I was at the gym. I ate a bunch of food. But yeah, I did skip this point of view a little bit, my bad. But now I'm taking my dog out. You know, a little walk, night walk. Yeah, man. Oh, bro, not going to lie. This place feels like a ghost town at night. You know, pretty chill, bro. Pretty chill. Not going to lie. Midnight, 1 a.m. Real walks. Yo, my bad actually. It's not 1 a.m. I just checked. It is 12:30 a.m. So my bad. I thought it was 1 a.m. but then I checked my time. No, it wasn't yet. But it's about to be, you know. Midnight walks with the dog. You know how it goes, bro. You know how it goes. But overall calm day, bro. 840 bucks. You know, maybe like 800, 790 after fees. But that's cool, man. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that. Calm Wednesday. Calm Wednesday. I like trading because this shit, so much free time, gives me so much free time. I can do what I want. You know, I think freedom is the best thing about this job. I'm the boss. You know, I'm the boss. You're the boss. If you're a trader, you're the boss. It's okay. I'm the boss. You know how it goes. That's how it goes. Bruv, look at this view. I don't know, but if you could see this moon, I don't know what's wrong with this camera, but you know, that moon right there, it's actually really huge. But on camera it doesn't look like that, you know what I mean? But this for real feels like one of those apocalypse movies when there was like a nuke and like no one survived except that one person. You know, what was that movie? I Am Legend. Yeah, I Am Legend. For real. Makes sense because, you know, I'm Legend. But yeah. Feel like that. Oh, for real. I Am Legend and here's the dog. If you've seen that movie, bro, let me know in the comment section. That's a great ass movie. Not going to lie. I Am Legend. You know the movie? With his dog, literally. Dog. That makes so much sense now. Since I'm a content creator nowadays, kinda, besides my trading, you know, someone asked me, what do I watch on YouTube? Mainly I watch Sam Sulek, Hamza, and Brandon Carter. Those three. Mainly I don't watch any trading content, let's be honest, because most of them are fucking ass. That's why I came in here to this trading industry, to save the industry. You know, mainly most of the trading industry, most of the trading influencers are fucking ass, let's be honest. So about to make a change, you know, about to make a change. So you know how it goes. Who's gonna stop me? No one. Not these fucking influencers, at least. Yo, where's the moon? Oh, there we go. That's what's up. I mean, bro, imagine jumping there, freezing cold. Holy shit. Freezing cold, darkness. Not today, buddy. Not today. Alright, man, so pretty much now I'm home, and now it's actually 1:30 a.m. 1:30 a.m. So that's what's up. So was a calm day, profitable day, calm, juicy ass day.
All right. So yeah, man, I'm gonna call it a day. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below about it. Okay, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, join the free Discord, and as usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.